I've never seen this line done before, and I think YouTube's ready to see it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, our adventure takes us to the Riveter. This place is so awesome. I can't believe it's taken me so long to come back, but after about 6 months, hopefully I can get on some of these bigger lines. Jumps aren't getting any smaller, so we gotta get geared up and then hit the trail. All right, first run of the day. Should be able to handle blue. If I remember right, I was clearing blue last time I was here. Oh God, dang. Oh wow, the speed's just not there. Oh no. That's not confidence inspiring. Huh. Okay. First run, and the outdoor line is not running good. The winds are high. Pretty sure you guys can hear that. The dirt is soft, and my hopes for getting on the black line are going down every run. I'm not going near fast enough. This is gonna be a rough run. Try as I might, I can barely clear the blue line, and that might even be a stretch. My bike is just not the right tool for the job. But you know what is? Bobo lent me his trusty steed Airwolf for the day, and this dirt jumper is sick. I can't wait to try it out. This will be my first time on a dirt jumper, so I do not have high hopes, but I'm gonna bring you along with me and hopefully keep myself in one piece. First run on a dirt jumper. I think green sounds like a good start, right? Okay. Oh God, the brakes don't work. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, this feels weird. Oh, and it pumps well. Oh God, I'm going way too fast. Woo! Okay. Holy crap, that was a lot of fun. Oh, let's do that again. On the way back up to the top, we ran into a subscriber named Niles. He's only 14, but he's got way more confidence than me to even run up to the double black diamond line. There's no way in heck you're ever gonna see me doing this, so Niles gonna take over the GoPro. Fingers crossed that he makes it through this line.
Wow! Yes!
All right, man, so how did that feel?
It felt super clean. I think I'm gonna hit it again and try to get the first jump today.
Dang, dude. Just progressing. That's what this place is all about, is that progression. Nowhere else can you get progression at that level.
Oh, yeah.
How big would you say those jumps are that you're looking at?
I heard that the Canon is 28 feet.
What gave you the motivation to get it?
Probably the camera.
Yeah, man. Please don't let me pressure you to do something that you're not ready or you don't want to do. If you want to hang it up, that's totally okay with me. I understand. How are you feeling right now?
I'm not doing this for the camera, mostly. I'm kind of doing it. I'm doing it for personal growth. Okay. But the camera's just giving me like a little nudge in the right direction.
Okay. Well then, screw everything I just said. Send it.
Yeah. Yes!
Woo! Way to go, man. Holy crap. What's your Instagram in case anybody wants to follow you and see you ride some more?
It's at McGillicuddy. McGillicuddy.
Awesome running into you today, man. Sick riding. After watching what Niles could do on his dirt jumper, it pushed me to try the blue line. Let's just hope these tires grip in the berms. Get a little follow cam action. Wow, that went way better than expected. I've always been told my full suspension bike soaks up a lot with its massive travel, but I've never really put much weight behind that idea. Until today. Let's head back up and see what the next step up in difficulty looks like. The sun is on its way down, so let's head to the lit up canopy lines and see if the DJ can't make short work of these jumps. These canopy lines are where the dirt jumper really seems to excel. With very little room to pedal, pumping becomes more important than ever. Let's watch some of the regulars throw down and see if we can't learn a thing or two. Well, after a day full of cases, I finally made the switch over to the dirt jumper, and I'm so glad that I did. It made the world of difference. I don't know why I've been resisting so hard. I guess I thought I needed the extra suspension in case things went wrong. But I just had to learn to trust myself a little bit more and let go. Thanks so much for dropping in with me today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.